This is a gorgeous set of cutting boards. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we're reviewing this 3-piece set of bamboo cutting boards. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you get all three sizes come in this set. So there's all 3 sizes that you get. I like that they have the little hole on the side. So if I usually have like some hooks up here. If I want to hang it up, I can hang it up. I love this. So like if you're cutting fruit, if you're cutting anything juicy, even chicken, instead of the juice running all over your counter, it like catches in these little grooves. I absolutely love that. If you have never had a really nice set of bamboo cutting boards, I will tell you this, do not, under any circumstances, put these in your dishwasher. Bamboo cutting boards should always be hand washed, always. These are they're so smooth. They're absolutely beautiful. I guess I could, here, let me grab a knife just to see. Now, I'm not cutting anything, of course, but I just want to see if it's going to leave like marks. I'm putting some, you can see, putting some pretty good pressure on here, pretending like I'm cutting something. No marks. No marks. That's what I'm hoping for. Oh, these are beautiful. These are stunning. If you are looking for a great set of bamboo cutting boards for your house, we recommend these.